I'm at Bald Knob. It's a little after 6, and it's feels like it's 52 degrees out here. It's really cold. Um, it was a long night. I had a posse show up about midnight. Drove through my little camping area. It's not a campground. It's more like a picnic area. But I didn't know that. People told me it was a camping area, so that's where rolled up here and hoping to have some camping spot, and it's more like a party place, I think. But picnic area looks like it's about 30 years old, but it's really freaking cool. Um, yeah, nice, quiet. It was a weird night. Bald Knob. It's the gravel version of the dragon. Everything's some kind of version of the dragon, right? I want to see if I can get some little drive-by views without rolling to my death. I think it's here pretty standard 70 to 100 foot drop off here. It just looks less dramatic with all the foliage on the side of the road. The drama is real to me, though, so I'm going to take it easy. Oh, there we go. See if we can slow down long enough to get the sheer face. Now, I don't know if it's not, definitely not vertical, but that's pretty daggum far. That's maybe 90 feet to the bottom, or at least where it makes a transition. Eek. Eek. Bald Knob. Not sure if we're in North Carolina or Tennessee. We're right on the border. So